So here's a cool tip. Did you know that if you use these laundry detergent sheets, you don't have to use them in just the laundry machine, in the washing machine? In fact, if you are camping and spend a lot of time outside, grab a box of these and use these. These dissolve right in the water. You can just swirl it around and swish it around. The brand that I'm holding right now is Eco Roots, but there are other brands too that you can do the same. So I think that's really cool. I remember growing up and camping as a child, and you always had to find laundry places when you were going on extended trips, or maybe you're RVing or in your motorhome. And this is really nice when you need to just do a quick load and you don't have access to any washing machines. Just grab one of these, dissolve it in a bucket of water or whatever, and make sure it dissolves fully, and then wash your clothes in it. How easy is that? No big jugs, no nothing. If this sounds like something you could use, all the links are down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and follow for more helpful tips.